सब लोग सीधे बैठ जाओ. We are going to do a progressive muscular relaxation exercise. When I say contract, so just stiffen your body. And when I say relax, just relax. Relax करो जैसे body paralyzed हो गई है. Stiff करो जैसे epilepsy में tonic phase आ जाता है उसके साथ में. Just close your eyes. सांस छोड़ो and relax and relax and relax and relax. सांस लो, contract. सांस छोड़ो, relax and relax and relax and relax. सांस लो, contract. सांस छोड़ो, relax, 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 relax. सारा ध्यान दाहिने पैर पे. Bring your awareness to the right leg and watch the leg getting paralyzed, relaxing, becoming lighter. The great toe, the other toes, the right ankle, the right leg, the right knee, the right thigh, the right hip is getting relaxed and relaxed and relaxed. Your right limb is totally paralyzed. You want to move, you can't. It's becoming lighter and lighter and lighter. Now bring your awareness to the left leg. Watch it relaxing and paralyzing. The thumb, the other fingers, the toes, the left ankle, the left leg, the left knee, the left thigh, the left hip. The whole of the left limb is getting relaxed and paralyzed. You want to move your legs, you can't. It's totally paralyzed. Now your buttocks are getting paralyzed. You're feeling lighter. Your abdomen, your back, your spine is getting paralyzed. Your neck is now becoming lighter and lighter and lighter. Your lower lips are getting paralyzed. Your upper lips are getting paralyzed. Your nose is getting relaxed and paralyzed. Your eyebrows are getting paralyzed. And absolutely you are relaxed in a sleeping mood. Your third eye area is getting relaxed. The whole body is getting relaxed and relaxed and relaxed. And you're becoming lighter and lighter and lighter. You're sitting on a carpet. And you're flying high and high on the clouds. You are now flying high and feeling lighter. You have reached a sea station, Goa. You can see the sea, the blue color, the ships, the sunset. You are seeing the waves of the ocean. You are walking barefooted on the sand. You can feel the coldness of the sand. And you are happy and enjoying and laughing and merrying. You're back on your carpet and flying high and high and high. You have come back to Gurgaon in the Om Shanti Retreat Center in the seminar room. And now you have started feeling heavier and heavier and heavier. You can feel the weight in your body. You can feel the weight on your buttocks. You can feel the weight of the floor. You can feel the whole body that you are in ORC. Now rub your hands because you have gained the energy and the heaviness. Rub your eyes and open the eyes. This is called progressive muscular relaxation. And from progressive muscular relaxation, I shifted you to a visualization exercise, which is a suggestive hypnotherapy, stage 1, trance 1. And let us share the experiences. How many of you actually slept? A lot of you. That means you got a deeper relaxation. Your relaxation was so deep. Yesterday I said that whenever you do any exercise, whenever you chant Om, you either produce aspirin or you produce a benzodiazepine. So when you were relaxing, your relaxation was so strong that you ended up in a benzodiazepine overdose and you slept. So if you are not getting sleep, that's the treatment. Somebody who is insomnia, and if you do this exercise, a person's anxiety will disappear, and you are giving a natural benzodiazepine, and it relaxes. So some of you slept. How many of you got irritated? Jaldi khatam ho. Let me finish this. Actually, at least 1 or 2 should have felt that. They are shy of speaking that. That's another phenomena you can get. And if you get that phenomena, continue it. जब आप पूरी बॉडी के अंदर में जब आप रिलैक्स करते हो, when you are walking, your toxins in the body, you don't realize them. When you rest, तो मन करता कोई पैर दबा दे. अभी आप दिन भर में काम करो, रात में जाके बिस्तर पे लेटोगे, नौकर को बुलाओगे मेरे पैर दबा दे. What is that happening? The accumulated toxins liberate when you relax. Similarly, accumulated mental toxins will liberate when you are relaxing. And that mental toxin sometimes can disturb you or divert you. So don't worry about them. That can also happen. How many of you felt relaxation? Almost all of you. Almost all of you. So this progressive muscular relaxation gives you the right dose of benzodiazepine. It gives you aspirin, takes away your physical pain, and it gives you the right dose of benzodiazepine. This is called progressive muscular relaxation. If you go to a psychiatrist, and if you say, I want to learn a PMR session, he says, deposit 2,000 rupees outside. I'll give you a session. All psychiatrists charges 2,000 rupees per session, which you can do yourself. This is progressive, एक से दूसरे पे, muscular relaxation. You are directing your body to relax, relax, and relax, and relax, and relax. You have heard the word afternoon nap. This is afternoon nap. Just do it for 2 minutes, the nap is over. You have recharged your body. 2 minutes of this, 2 to 5 minutes of this, you can recharge your body. That's afternoon nap, same principle. So this is progressive muscular relaxation. It has many modifications. Some modification is, पहले contract करो, फिर relax करो. Fine. There are many types of modifications, but the principle remains the same. You watch each and every part of your body relaxing. When you relax your body, the body will not contract unless reminded so. Till I said, your body is becoming heavier, you would have been, all of you might have, अगर मैं ऐसे ही छोड़ देता आपको, थोड़ी देर के बाद में सब सो जाते हैं. Body will not regain its strength till reminded for, or after some time, जैसे थोड़ी देर के बाद में बैटरी कंप्यूटर अपने आप ऑफ हो जाता है, तो थोड़ी दूर के बाद में वो डायरेक्शन खत्म हो जाती है और आपको याद आ जाता है कि मुझे उठना है. जब तक रिमाइंड नहीं करोगे तब तक you would have been relaxing. And if you see the computer later on in the recorded, you will find that everybody was still, not moving, and now everybody is moving. When you are in a conscious state, कोई यूं कर रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है, वो राजेंद्र जी यूं कर रहे हैं, ये अपने हाथ को ऐसे कर रही हैं. That was not happening because the body was paralyzed. The body was paralyzed. So this is an exercise which, whenever get time, do it in your patients, teach your patients. If a patient comes in acute anxiety, just do it. He'll relax.